So this is the first time I've noticed this, but look at all the birds grabbing the berries off of these two little trees, and I've got no idea. I've never been able to figure out what these trees are. But we'll just stand back here and just watch how many birds come flying in from the far trees there, zinging up to this tree, and then back down to these. Yeah, it's like a freaking World War I dogfights. There's a bunch more. Oh, here's another one. Whoa! Yeah, it's out of control. Zoom. Neighborhood convenience store. Like, look at that. That's 7 birds now. Zoom. Up there. Just incredible.